So HTTP came up with new method, that is they are calling query. Yeah, I think it is very useful. So previously it has get, patch and post method and delete method like that. So they have called it query, and surprisingly it is a new general purpose HTTP query, sorry, method. So after the patch they have introduced this, and the problem mainly solving is imagine you are building a search API with lots of filters, like using get method and stuffing everything into the URL. So sometimes what happens is get method don't allow long URLs, and long URLs become hard to read and can hit length limit and may expose query details in the console logs. So developers, what used to they do do is generally use post method for that. But method, what happens is it can always be read write method, so it is not safe. So for long search operations, the usage of post method is not a solution. So that's why HTTP came up with this query method. So query lets you send the complex data using body, what we used to do with post. We can do send the data to the server with the query method, but we can only read it from works like get, but we can send data with body also in this. So what happens is it will become more safe, and maybe some reliable method for large amount of searches, if you have large amount of search queries. So we can still use get for simple searches, but if you have we have complex searches methods, so we can use query for that. So I don't think you will start with this in every day, but we can adapt to this for the complex searches, and solves is provides security mostly. Yeah.